Life begins in quiet moments, full of endless possibilities. With each step, we grow stronger, embracing new challenges. Like nature, we stand resilient, finding our way forward. In every calm, there's purpose guiding us onward. When life moves fast, we discover courage within ourselves. With each mile, we shed what no longer serves us. We carry lessons from every experience, guiding us ahead. Through companionship, we find strength and support. And so, we flow, steady and calm, embracing the present, prepared for the future. We are the river, unstoppable, bound for greatness.